Meteors are pieces of debris that enter the Earth's atmosphere at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per second and evaporate, creating streaks of light called meteors. Chasing meteors, like any other astronomy, is a game of patience, so it's best to bring a comfortable chair and wrap up warm, as you may be outside for a while. You won't need binoculars or a telescope, as they can be seen with the naked eye, but it will take some time for your eyes to adjust to the darkness. The annual Ursid Meteor shower occurs every year from December 13th to 24th. It always peaks around the winter solstice. During this period, there is a chance to see Ursid meteors when the radiant point of the Ursa Minor is above the horizon, and the number of meteors visible increases the higher the radiant point in the sky. Generally, the Ursids are unremarkable, with perhaps 5 to 10 meteors per hour occurring in dark, moonless skies. On rare occasions, outbursts of more than 100 meteors per hour can be observed. Despite peaking in the cold winter months, these Ursid occurrences keep meteor watchers in the northern hemisphere interested in this meteor shower. The object involved in the formation of the Ursid shower was identified as Comet 8P Tuttle. Pierre Macain discovered it on January 9, 1790 in Paris. Comet 8P Tuttle is a medium-sized comet whose orbit is relatively short and low-inclined, determined by the gravitational influence of Jupiter. NASA JPL classifies 8P Tuttle as a near-Earth asteroid because it orbits in low Earth orbit, but is not considered potentially hazardous, as computer simulations have not indicated an immediate possibility of a future collision. 8P Tuttle orbits the Sun every 4,970 days, about 13.61 years, approaching as close as 1.03 astronomical units and receding as far as 10.37 astronomical units. Its orbit is highly elliptical. 8P Tuttle has a diameter of about 4.5 kilometers, making it larger than 99% of all asteroids and about the size of Manhattan Island. Where's the best place to observe the Ursid meteor shower? For the best conditions, find a safe location away from street lights and other sources of light pollution. Meteors can be seen anywhere in the sky, so a location with a wide view of the night sky is ideal. However, if you follow the meteor's trail, it appears to have come from the constellation Ursa Minor. Because shooting stars are visible throughout the night sky, don't look directly at the radiant to find one. Try looking at nearby constellations instead. Meteors closer to the radiant have shorter orbits and are harder to detect. If you only look for Little Bear, you might miss most of the bears. To best see the Ursa Minorids, go to the darkest place possible, sit back and relax. The secret is to look at as much of the sky as possible and wait about 30 minutes for your eyes to adjust to the darkness, so you won't need any tools like a telescope or binoculars. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Feel free to contact us anytime. Your support is our greatest motivation.